Hey my beautiful techies, it's Sabrina. Welcome back to my channel, Beautifully Techies, where beauty and tech meet. And today we are discussing screen protectors. And to be a little bit more specific, I'm going to teach and show you step by step how to install screen protectors. When it comes to screen protectors, people are very nervous about installing them themselves. I can't tell you how many times when I'm working at Best Buy and customers are like, hey, can you put this screen protector on for me? The thing is, whenever we install screen protectors, we actually have to charge for it. But in this case, this screen protector is actually for my mom. I actually bought two. I bought this one and another one, but I've already installed the one that's on my dad's phone. So today I'm going to be doing this for my mom because I love her. So my mother has the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and she actually already had a screen protector on hers, but today I'll be replacing it. All right, so this is the screen protector that I'll be using to replace on her phone. So when it comes to screen protectors, what you want to do is you always want to go for the good brand. Some people want to just go for just like the cheaper ones that they see, but I don't really know. From my experience, from what I've seen, is people who are willing to invest a little bit more money into a screen protector usually come out with the best results. So one of the screen protectors that are really good that we sell at Best Buy, that's one of our top selling brands, is like ZAGG. But when it comes to maybe like an older model for a phone, such as like the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, I actually had to go to Amazon to find a good screen protector. And luckily, this is the one that I purchased for them before. They had it on their phones for a very long time, and it's done its job. It's cracked and everything in a couple places, but that's okay because it lasted for an extremely long time, and now it's just time to replace it, which is very normal. So a little bit about this screen protector. I got this off of Amazon.com, and I will be sure to put the link in the description box. But a few things about it. This screen protector only costs $11.99 and full screen coverage, so it's going to cover the entire thing. It comes with an easy installation tray. The sensors aren't going to be covered on the actual phone, so you won't have to worry about the camera being covered, the lens being covered up, or the sensors that look at your eyes, because the phone does have an iris scanner, so it won't be covering up any of the sensors. It has curved edges for a precise fit, because on Samsung Galaxy phones they do curve on the side. And it has bubble-free guarantee. A lot of people, I don't know, no one who is okay with having air bubbles under their screen protector, so it comes with a bubble-free guarantee. It's highly responsive, so that way when you're touching it, you won't have any issues in terms of it responding to your touch once you put the screen protector on. It's ultra thin, scratch resistant, and a couple things that the screen protector box comes with. It comes with a wet and dry alcohol cleaning wipe, and like I said, the easy installation tray. One other really cool thing about screen protectors is because we are all human, it's inevitable that you will not eventually break your screen protector or at least crack it. I'm usually pretty good when it comes to my own screen protectors. I usually do not crack them. Please Jesus, please don't let that happen. But I do get like a dent or a scratch in them. That's due to just kind of normal wear and tear, me wearing like earrings or anything like that. It may scratch up against my earrings whenever I put my phone up to my face. That's extremely normal. But the really cool thing about this particular brand, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So all you have to do is within 30 days after purchasing this particular brand off of Amazon, they have, the website is like www.techmate.com/warranty, something like that, and you can actually register this product and then it'll be protected. So if anything ever happens to it, you just got to take a quick little snapshot of the broken screen, send it in to them, and then they send you an entirely new screen protector for free because it comes with a warranty. That's amazing. I love that. I love when screen protectors come with things like that. You already have the peace of mind from having a screen protector, but then you are have double peace of mind when you know if anything happens to your screen protector, you can get another one in the mail. So that's why I really love this particular screen protector and brand from Amazon. And again, I will be sure to link it in the description. But now we're going to discuss how to actually install the screen protector onto the phone. But first, we need to unbox. All right, so I've moved everything aside for right now, and now all I have on the table is my mom's phone, which is right here, and all the different materials that I'm going to need to replace the screen protector that she has on her phone. So the first thing that you want to do whenever you are replacing screen protectors, if you have any kind of case or any kind of obstruction, you want to go ahead and remove it. So this is my mom's lovely Delta Sigma Theta case that she is a member of. She is a sister in the sorority, but we're going to remove this lovely case. So like I said, you want to remove the case, and you have the phone by itself. So you have the bad screen protector that is on the phone, and what we want to do is remove it. So carefully. Usually when I'm at Best Buy, we have some kind of we have like this product that we can remove screen protectors with a little bit easier, but this is fine too. But yeah, so you want to remove the screen protector. Please do so very easily. I just kind of hurt my little finger just trying to remove it, so I went and grabbed something that I can slide underneath the screen protector to remove it and also keep my hands safe. All right, so that is the old screen protector. It is all cracked, and yeah. And what you are left with is a phone that is a little dirty, but that's okay. Your screen protector case does come with wipes. So you want to start with step one, which is the wet wipe. Open that up. Okay. You want to be as thorough as you possibly can with this wet wipe. I would encourage you to always use this type of wipe that is meant to go on a screen of a phone when cleaning the phone. Make sure it is entirely clean. Step number two, you want to grab your dry wipe. And you want to clean the phone. Dry it as much as you can. You don't want to have any kind of streaks. You can honestly keep cleaning the phone until there are no more streaks. It is possible. It's going to take a little arm work. It's going to take some patience, but it's definitely possible. Just want to go around the phone and remove any dust particles that may be on the phone, because that will show up and then get trapped underneath the phone. You want to avoid that. Alright. Sometimes it's okay to go back in with the dry wipe. Clean it up as much as you can. You then want to take the applicator tool, and you want to have this part where those little indentions are facing up. Place it over your phone. Grab the screen protector, take it out of its sleeve, remove that sticky covering, and then line it up as much as possible. Drop it down, get your cleaning cloth and press it down good on the phone. Take the applicator tool off, and there is your brand new screen protector on your phone. Clean it off, good to go. So it definitely takes some patience and getting used to, and you know, as much of a steady hand as possible, but that is the finished product. The new screen protector is on there, and I know that my mom's is going to love it. And if you love this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and leave a nice leave a nice, sweet, beautiful comment, because that's exactly what you are. But yeah, please be sure to follow me on Instagram as well at Beautifully Techies, and more videos to come. Stay beautiful, techies. God bless.